Hello friends and welcome to What's Logic. And in this video in previous video we saw that how to create a new user for your website, and in this video we'll be able to edit these roles of your friends, your users, your website users. So friends, to edit any of the roles, friends, select any of the user which you want to which you want to edit the role, and then change role to click on this drop down menu and then select the option to what you want to edit it. So for now it's editor. Let's make it a subscriber, then we'll click apply. Actually it must change it to a subscriber, and it did not change because due to some error. So let's go get and change, apply, and then now it has been changed. It's still not changing, friends. I think there is any error, and now when you click change, now it has been changed to subscriber. So now friends, that's the way to how you can change the role of a user. And friends, now let's create roles. That's interesting thing. Now let's create roles. Till now we have edited it only, but in this video we'll create a role. So for that you'll need the help of one plugin, and so go ahead and click on install plugins and click add new, and then you should search for user roles over there. Go ahead and search for user roles, and friends, there you must found one plugin called I think it's called user roles editor. So go ahead and install it and then activate it. I have already did it. And then friends, what you have to do is go to users, and then one more option which should be available in your website now, called user role editor. You should go there. So after installing this plugin, friends, then after you will have this option available. So now it says that select a role to change its capabilities. So it's a subscriber, you can change its capabilities. These are different permissions which you can change. So what are these different permissions? Activate plugins, create users. So these are if you'll tick this and then click on update, then the subscribers will have the capabilities to activate plugins, to create users, and all these different things. So you can change even capabilities of different users available here, but you can't edit admin, friends. And to edit admin, you will have to go to settings and user roles editor, and then over there you should click on show administrator and user roles editor, and then you should go to users and user role editor, and then you would find administrator option over here. So that's what actually over there. And actually you can see here administrator have all the capabilities on WordPress. So and friends, to create a role, you can click on add role, and then role name or role ID. So for example, it must be like user. Let's take it to user, and then you display role name as user, same thing, and then make copy of none. Go ahead and click add, and then you can see user has been added now, and then you can add different capabilities over here, friends. So these are all this is the way that how you can create roles. And when you'll go to all users, then you will see that one or more option available here called user. For example, if you have to change it to user, then go to user and then you can change it there. So that's what actually, friends, a user is, and how to create a role in WordPress. So bye.